Scientists, this is a walkthrough of your Eastern Temperate Forest assignment. So today, your goal is that you can identify some of the organisms that live in an Eastern Temperate Forest. And the big question is, what one word can you use to describe the weather in every season in an Eastern Temperate Forest? So what's the one word for every weather season? This video will give you some background information about a deciduous forest, which is what we're looking at when we talk about the Eastern Temperate. And then on slide 3, this video is all of your instruction, tells you about the animals that we're studying. It will answer that driving question on what is the one word that could talk about all of the weather. And much of the canopy in the Eastern Temperate Forest of the United States is formed by species of oaks, maples, and hickories. Regionally, however, buckeye, tulip, swamp cypress, hemlock, birch, poplar, elm, and sour gum trees mix with the more dominant species of trees. The leaves of these trees only live through a single growing season. Because the trees reduce their photosynthetic activity as winter approaches, length of daylight is reduced and temperatures begin to fall. So as the weather changes, these trees, all of these listed here, they drop their leaves. And you'll learn more about that in the video there. On slide 4, you have 2 activity pages. You need to identify some living things in temperate forests. So you're going to drag and drop the pictures that belong in the correct boxes. You might need to adjust the size of the picture if they all do not fit. So living things in a temperate rainforest, living things that do not belong in a temperate rainforest or a temperate forest. So then you wrap it up, your second part of your activities, compare and contrast. How do temperate forests differ from forests found in the Pacific Northwest? And what characteristics of the temperate forest make it a good home for many animals? And you'll just click in these 2 boxes to insert your responses. If you're looking to go further, this is an interesting video that talks about the difference between coniferous and deciduous trees. And then this is a video that gives you more background information about the forest ecosystem in a temperate, in the Eastern Temperate Forest. If we jump back to slide 4, we can exit present mode and look at our edit mode. And so then these are the images that you're dragging in. Does it live in a temperate forest or does it not live in a temperate forest? So it lives in it or it does not live in it. You're just putting it in each of those 2 columns there. And the reason you're doing that is because today you can prove that you can identify some of the organisms that live in an Eastern Temperate Forest. Good luck, scientists.